Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2023 Chevy Bolt, and on this vehicle I'm going to show you how to put your rear brakes into service mode so that you can replace the brake pads. This is electronic parking brake, and so we need to put it into service mode to retract the center there, and so then that way we can push the piston back. If you don't do that, you won't be able to push the piston back and install your new brake pads. So we'll go inside and be able to do that via the controls in the vehicle, and we don't need a scan tool for this, but you generally can do it with a scan tool also if you would like. So in the vehicle, we're sitting in the vehicle, but we have not put our foot on the brake and done anything like that because we need to put it in service mode. And so the power button, we are just going to press it in and hold it until everything illuminates up in here in the service function. All right, so now it's illuminated in the service function. We get these different icons down here, and we do have our parking brake on. And so what we are going to do to be able to put it into service, and a little icon is going to come up here, and it's going to be a brake, and it's going to blink at us. What we're going to do is we are going to push our foot on the brake pedal and hold, as well as press the parking brake switch down and hold them until that switch lights up. And then once it's illuminated and blinking, we release our foot off the brake pedal, release the parking switch, and then after that we will release and then depress them both, and you'll hear the parking brake actuators do their thing. They'll release. So holding the brake pedal down and the switch, and we just, like I said, we just hold this, and now that switch is on. Release and press down, and so that was a release and press, and then press the brake switch down, and then that put it into service mode. So now we go ahead and service the brakes, change the brakes out, and do what we need to do. And then when we're done, we put the vehicle back in to operational mode. And the way that we do that is by pressing our foot on the brake again and pulling up on the brake switch. And we're going to hold that. And now you can hear the brake actuators, and what they're doing is they are depressing out until it fills that void, and then everything is filled up there. And now we can pull our switch, put our park brake on, and then also being able to remove our parking brake. And that is how you would put your parking brake into service mode to be able to replace your rear brakes. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be a mechanic.